All right, let's talk. How many times have you told yourself, I'll start tomorrow, only for tomorrow to feel just as overwhelming as today? Yeah, me too. I do it all the time. That's why I'm finally hitting the upload button on this video today. Welcome to Turning Pages with Maricela. I'm a wife, a mom, a full-time nurse, and a grad student. So trust me, I get it. I know what it's like to feel like life doesn't slow down. But here's what I realized. If I keep waiting for that perfect time to go after what I want, if I keep waiting for everything to be just right to start doing the things that I love, it's never going to come and it's never going to happen. So I decided no more waiting on someday. No more I'll do it tomorrow. That time is now. It's time to focus on progress, on taking action, and just figure it out as I go. Listen, I'm not very tech savvy. I don't know much about computers or editing, and I'm definitely not comfortable talking on the camera. But I'm willing to learn, and I'll figure it out. The more I do, the better I'll get. So what's this channel all about? This channel is your shortcut to working smarter, staying focused, unlocking a mindset that actually gets results. We're talking productivity hacks for busy people with no fluff, mindset shifts that are backed by science and real life. We're talking books and podcasts and research that actually move the needle, habits that stick even when life is chaotic. I'm here to learn and grow, to figure out what actually helps us become the best version of ourselves. And yeah, I want to read lots of books, books that deliver real change. Let's be real for a minute. I almost didn't post this video. I've been putting it off for weeks, asking myself, what if I sound silly? What if no one cares? What if it's not good enough? What will people say? But then I asked myself, what's scarier, failing or never trying at all? The truth is, you don't get better by waiting. You get better by starting and doing. So here I am, starting. If you're ready to stop waiting for that someday to come around and start making life happen now, you're in the right place. This isn't just a channel, it's a movement for people who refuse to stay stuck. I refuse to stay stuck. So hit that subscribe button right now if you want actionable advice, not just motivation. Real growth from someone who's in this with you. A community of people who actually do the work. I'm not perfect. I don't have it all figured out, but I'm committed to growth. So if you're passionate about mindset, productivity, health, success, balance, and building a life that truly works for you, this is the place. Let's be the kind of people who look back a year from now and say, damn, did I really do that? I'm Maricela. Let's be unstoppable together and let's just start. Let me know in the comments if you have something specific that you've been wanting to do but hesitating to start. And tell me why. I want to know. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.